Mabuhay, blessed be God forever. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies. So grade 11 STEM. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Angelique Zaragoza Bartolia, and I will be your General Chemistry 1 teacher. So please take note, your offline online consultation schedule is at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So I will give you this recorded video so that during the consultation time, you can just chat me through our GC about the follow-up questions because I think I will answer all the possible questions in your mind right now. Okay, so now before anything else, before we proceed to the modules, I will give a gentle reminders. For number one, answer all the activities. For number two, your module should be neat and clean. So please, I need a neat and clean module. So please lessen the erasure. If you have a mistake or you write wrong in your module, please cover it up with a clean bond paper or a paper, and then write it on so that I can check it nicely. That's all. So that is pleasing to the eye. And number three is to maximize the space provided. If I provided you that so much space, please maximize it. Don't use additional paper to attach. As much as possible, just use the space provided. And then number four, you can use your book for the contents. All of the contents is in your book, so please use those. Please use your book rather. For number five, so if you're not available for 3 to 4 p.m., I will entertain your questions from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Please do not consider the lunch break because we will having our lunch. So please don't communicate or don't ask questions from 11:30 to 1 p.m. So 8:30 to 11:30 and then 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Do I make myself clear? For number six is the last. I will not entertain questions for week 3 module. I will focus on week 2 module. So don't you worry because I will make another video for week 3 module so that you can replay it anywhere and anytime that you want. Do I make myself clear? Okay, this is a raw video. It's already 12 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, 12 a.m. So please understand if I miss something, just message me. And then lastly, I will not entertain personal messages also. I will not entertain personal messages because my messenger is not organized. So please message me through text. I will entertain you through text or through messenger. So please don't be shy asking about the module because that is our job to help you. Okay, now let's proceed to the module. Now, for the activity 1, the title is What Happens? So for the instruction, what happens at a particle level in each of the following events? For each event, draw 2 particle pictures of the object to represent how it looks at the start and at the end of event described. So write a short explanation. So please draw the picture, or please draw if you'd like, but based on the instruction, you can post pictures, but as much as possible so that I can see the particles that you've made, you can draw it. So we have 2 situations here. From the first situation is a crayon is left on the sidewalk on a very hot sunny day. For the first or second column, you just need to write the before the crayon particle, and then from the third column, you just need to draw or put a picture about the crayon after the particles. Not the actual picture of a crayon. I just need to look about the particles. Okay, you need to show me the particles itself, not the whole crayon, just the particles of the crayon. And then explanation, please again, maximize the space provided. Then for the second situations, a woman places several mothballs in a resealable bag and seals the bag. 1 week later, she notices that the bag has become inflated and mothballs are much smaller. So again, start before and after. Then explain. For the second activity is you need to compare and contrast the following items. So for the first item is you need to compare and contrast or give the differences and similarities of physical properties and chemicals properties on your right side. And then in the middle part, give me the similarities. And next, same with homogeneous and heterogeneous. So again, homogeneous, heterogeneous, differences, and then in the middle part of the Venn diagram is you need to put the similarities. Next is the compare and contrast filtration and distillation using the given graphic organizer. So it's just the same with different organizers. So answer the filtration, what are they alike, the filtration and distillation about the process, it's all about the process and stuff like that. And then how are they different? So you knew already about that. And then we're done with activity. Now let's proceed to the performance task, the paper chromatography. So make a 2 to 3 minute video presentation demonstrating how the paper chromatography is being done. Include the following objectives, materials, procedures, and conclusion. So then ako mag-vary ha. So the objectives can be, you can make 1 to 2 objectives about the paper chromatography, and then the materials, it should have the pictures of the materials, and then the text, also the procedures. I should see you making the demonstrating the paper chromatography, and the conclusion. A very short conclusion about your demonstration, and then use alternative materials that are available in your home. So we don't need a lot about the laboratory materials. You can use alternative materials that are available in your home. Okay, so post the video on our Facebook page. For your guide, you can use this link. I will share it to you in our Facebook page, Don't You Worry, or page 20 of your book. So the due date or the submission date will be on September 11, 2020 until 4 p.m. only. Ma'am, ang submission naman talaga ng module is on September 14, but this is online. You will post it online in our private page so that I will judge it. I will assess it. So until 4 p.m. only. For the FB page name, please do not search this FB page because it's not correct. The right name of our page is NBSCT's General Chem 1, and then close parenthesis, and then SY 2020 to 2021. Yeah, that's it. So kindly, if you don't already, wait, my head is aching, sorry. So if you still not join in our page, please join now so that you will be updated about our course or subject. So next is your assignment is to make a brochure. It is a brochure making. So instruction: make a brochure of tourists in the Philippines, include the pictures and identify the space of matter in the picture. Redraw or make a sketch of each picture that shows each object as particle representation of its space. So properly cite the sources of each picture. So someone already questioned this, if we need to make another bond paper, to make the brochure another bond paper. So please write or draw or put the pictures here on the space provided. Dito na. Okay, just make a frame and that's it. So that nandito talaga sa module nyo. So lastly is that you tell to your parents and guardians to write their name, and then beside of their name is the signature, and then the contact numbers and date submitted. So if you have questions, girls, don't be shy asking me. Don't be shy asking in our GC because it's our job to help you. And that's all. If you have questions, just PM me. No, not personal message me. Just message me in our GC, and then you can personally message me through text, which is indicated in your module folder. So that's it. If you have questions, again, GC or my number, or wag na email kasi hindi naman ako nag-open ng email. So messenger and then contact number. So that's it. Goodbye, good night. Good morning na pala. And then, stay safe. Bye.